Yeah, it's really hot too.
Okay, warm up number 1. Okay, answer for this one was, there we go, 100. Number 2. Okay, answer for this one was 1. Number 3. Okay, answer for this one is 17. Number 4. Alright, answer for this one, 24. Number 5. Okay, answer for this one should be 1,360. Alright, bring your number up for the lottery. Okay, lottery number for today is 2. Okay, go ahead and bring up your homework to Mr. Skinner. Okay, answers are 1, 8, and negative 6. Okay, answers are 2, 8, and negative 6. Answers are 4, negative 7, and 14. Okay, answers are negative 3, negative 11, and negative 2. Okay, answers are 9, negative 20, and negative 5. Okay, any questions on the homework? Okay, so for this, first step we want to do is we want to take our negative x and we want to move it to the opposite side to make it positive. So on the left side, we are left with negative 2 from right here. On the right side, we have 5 plus x. When we move our x over, it changes it to a plus x. Next, we need to move our number 5 to the opposite side. Our positive x wants to be by itself. We want that by itself on one side. So we have that on the right side. We want to move any numbers on the right side to the left side. So we have negative 2 over here. When we move our 5 to the opposite side, it's going to change it into a negative 5. So we have negative 2 minus 5 on the left, and we're left with positive x on the right. So we have negative 2 minus 5. That's going to be negative 7, and that should have been your answer. Okay, papers to pass out. I think I have Mr. Skinner, you want me to pass out their tests?
Yeah.
Okay, today's objective is to review one-step, two-step, and multi-step equations. Our learning target is the same as yesterday. Solve a one-step equation in the following variations. 6 minus x is equal to negative 3, negative x plus 2 equals 4, and 20 is equal to 12 minus x. Okay, for example 1, we have 3 steps when solving these equations. First thing we want to do is take our negative x. We want to move it to the opposite side to make it positive. On the left side, we are left with 4 is equal to negative 2 plus x. Next step, we want our positive x by itself on one side. So we want to move our negative 2 to the left side. When we move our negative 2 to the left side, what happens to it? Right, it changes into a positive 2. So our answer for this will be 4 plus 2, which is just 6. Okay, example 2, we want to do the same thing. Our negative x, we want to move to the opposite side to make it positive. We're left with 2 on the left side. On the right side, we have 1 plus x. Next step, we want to get our positive x by itself. So we have 1 on the right side, we want to move it to the left side. When we move it to the left side, it's going to make it a negative 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer is 1. Okay, practice problem number 1. Back to the practice problem, we had 3 minus x is equal to negative 2. Alright, first step. Take your negative x, move it to the opposite side. We want to make that positive. So we have 3 left on the left side. On the right side, we have negative 2 plus x. Next step, we want to take our negative 2, move it to the left side. When we move our negative 2, it's going to change it into a positive 2. Anytime you switch sides, you are going to switch the sign. So 3 plus 2 is equal to x. Answer should be 5. Okay, answer for the bonus was negative 3. Okay, let's try another practice problem. We have negative x plus 13 is equal to 6. First thing we want to do is move our negative x to the opposite side. We want to make it positive. On the left side, we have 13 is equal to 6 plus x. Alright, now we want our positive x by itself, so we need to move our 6 to the other side. When we move our 6, it's a positive 6 on the right side, so when we move it to the left, it's going to be a negative 6. So our answer is going to be 7. Okay, we have negative 1 minus x is equal to negative 4. What's the first thing we want to do? Move our negative x to the right side. So on the left side, we're left with negative 1 is equal to negative 4 plus x. Next thing, we want our positive x on one side by itself. So we need to move our negative 4 to the other side. When we move it to the other side, it's going to switch the sign. It's a negative on this side, so on this side it's going to be a positive 4. A negative 1 plus 4 is going to give us 3. Do the speed problems. Hot seat lottery. Okay, winning number today is 7. Kyle Moore. Number 1. Okay, answer for this one was 1. Number 2. Alright, answer for this one is 5. Number 3. Okay, answer for this one was 3. Number 4. Answer is 2. Number 5. Okay, answer for this one was 3. Okay, Ohio graduation test problem of the day. Okay, so for this problem, we want to distribute the 4 to the x and to the 3. 4 times x is going to give you 4x, plus 4 times 3 is going to give you 12. On the other side, we have 3 times 2x, that's 6x. 3 times a minus 5 will give you a negative 15. So the answer should be B. Okay, example 5. Alright, we have 1 is equal to 4 minus x. This time our negative x is on the right side, which means we're going to have to move it to the left side to make it positive. So on the left side we're going to have 1 plus x is equal to 4. Next, we want our positive x by itself. That means we're going to have to take our 1 and move it to the right side. On the left side, we just have x, and on the right side, we'll have 4. When we move our 1 to the right side, it's going to make it a negative 1. So our x is going to be equal to 3. Next example, we have negative 12 is equal to 2 minus x. First thing we want to do is move our negative x to the left side. So we'll have negative 12 plus x on this side. On the right side, we're just left with 2. Next thing, we want our positive x by itself. So we're going to have to take our negative 12 and move it to the right side. We're left with x on the left side is equal to 2. When we move our negative 12, it's going to make it a positive 12. So x is equal to 14. Okay, practice problem number 5. Okay, what's the first thing we need to do? Yeah?
Me?
Oh, I thought you were raising your hand, sorry. But yeah, what's the first thing we need to do?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I did 5 minus 3.
First thing we need to do is move our negative x to the left side. Remember, the first thing we want to do is make our x positive. It has a minus sign in front of it, so to make it positive, remember we can just move it to the other side and it makes it into a positive x. So we've got 3 plus x is equal to 5. Next thing we need to do is take our 3, move it to the right side. Remember, we want a positive x by itself on one side. That's why we want to move it over to the left side in the first place so we can make it positive. Now we want to move our number so we have our x by itself. We've got x on the left, on the right we've got 5. When we move our 3 to the right side, it's going to make it a negative 3, and that's going to be equal to 2. Hold on. No, you guys did the same thing. Okay. We have negative 7 is equal to 3 minus x. First thing we want to do is move our minus x to the opposite side to make it positive. So when we move this over here, we have a negative 7 left over here, and now we have a positive x on this side. And all that's left on the right side is 3. Next thing we need to do, we want our x to be by itself on one side. We need to move our negative 7 to the other side. So we have x is equal to 3. When we move our negative 7, it's going to make it positive. Remember, anytime you switch a number to another side, it's going to change the sign. If it's a positive on one side and you switch it to another side, it's going to make it negative. Right here we have a negative 7, so when we switch it to the other side, it's going to make it a positive 7. And that's going to be equal to 10. Alright, next practice problem. Okay, answer for this one is negative 2. Okay, for this one we have 11 is equal to 4 minus x. We want to move our negative x to the other side. We get 11 plus x is equal to 4. Next we want to move our 11 to the right side. That's going to be x is equal to 4 minus 11. Remember, when we move it, it's going to be negative. So that's going to give you a negative 7.